Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Jurong and welcome to this Amphitheatre for High Flyers. Now out there is one of the show's high flyers. Once he's ready, he's gonna make a turn, flying very low above your heads before landing on my hand. He's coming closer to you guys right here. Brace yourself. Here he comes. With a perfect touchdown. Thank you, Baba. This afternoon, we're going to take you on a flight and journey through this colorful and wonderful world of birds. Now, we hope that you will be amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help our feathered friends from across the world. Right now, we're going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws in the wild. In the wild, the macaws will congregate on palm trees to feast on palm nuts. Over here we have replicas of palm leaves where some birds are going to be landing on it. So everybody, let's welcome the birds. Look up there and here comes Gaia, our hyacinth macaw, together with her friend Lambo, our scarlet macaw. One more scarlet macaw coming right up there. Come on over here, Ferrari. Wow. Now these beautiful birds can be found in the jungles of South America. In the wild after feeding, they often go to rocky surfaces just like this to lick up clay or chalk. Now this helps them in the digestion of unripe fruits or palm nuts that they have eaten. Looks like the macaws are very happy. They are snacking on that palm tree over there, but not to worry because this will be their next stop. Now birds would gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. In fact, we're going to have a little competition to see which one of my friends are very good at gathering food. Now they are going to need supporters, so people on my right, I want you guys to support Barry, our green-winged macaw. Everyone clap your hands and go, Barry, Barry, Barry. Okay, stop. Very good, okay? People on this side, they will support Cocky, our scarlet macaw. Do the same thing now. Clap your hands and go, Cocky, Cocky, Cocky. All right, well done, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now let's to the table. What I have here is what we call the hollow tree trunk. What these two birds have to do is to gather 4 fruits each. Okay, now supporters ready, birds ready, let's go! Give a big round of applause for Barry! Deepa, not bad, huh? Good job. Oh, I cannot ignore Saan. Saan, what happened? Warm up! Can you believe him? Saan, what do you want now? He wants one more game. Saan, not that easy. I have to ask everyone, okay? Get them all to agree. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Shall we have one more game?
Yeah!
Wow, 99% say yes. You're very lucky. Let's have one more game, okay? All right, now, Cocky supporters, I want you to support louder this time. The louder you cheer, the faster these birds are going to run. All right, now, supporters ready, birds ready, let's go! Okay, guys, I'll tell you what. You don't have to be sad, okay? Because, ladies and gentlemen, it is very obvious that Cocky tried his very best. So let's give it up for the fruit-gathering macaws. As you can see, we give our birds here fun activities to do that are similar to what they would do in the wild. Now this is called enrichment. In the wild, some birds will forage for seeds or even nuts. Now take a look at my friend John. He is holding on to an enrichment device. It is a rope tied into knots, and in those knots are hidden treats for the next few birds to find. Alright, he's giving some last minute instruction to our volunteer and he's all set to go. So ladies and gentlemen, take a look at the nest of on stage, and here they come. Wow. Now those three birds are the sun conures. Now sun conures, just like the macaws, can also be found in the forests of South America. Now in the, ladies and gentlemen, here in Jurong Bird Park, not only are we active in conservation, we also get school children involved as well. Now the next box where the sun conures came out from was constructed by the students of Greenbridge Primary School in conjunction with Earth Day. Now I have got an interesting fact to share with you guys about parrots. Now conures are parrots just like the macaws. They all belong to the same family of parrots. Now while conures happens to be the smallest member, they can live up to 15 to 30 years. Medium-sized ones live up to 50 years, and the large ones, like the hyacinth macaw you saw earlier on, the bluebird called Gaia, well, that species of parrot can live up to a whooping 80 years. I'm not saying 18, it's 80, all right? Some of them have even outlived their own owners. Oh, I can see that's the youngest sibling of the three. Is that Loki? As usual, Loki being the youngest loves the attention that she can get from our guest out here. Now while Loki is just there with our volunteer, take a look at the colors of the sun conures. It's got a dash of red, a splash of yellow, some orange, kind of reminds you of the sun. That's how they got the name, the sun conures. Let's give them a nice big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now every single morning, the male and female toucans would leave its nest. Wow, such magnificent bird. One more coming right up. Now, Tokyo toucans are the largest in the toucan family. Now, they are easily recognizable by their bright orange beak. You can spot them from far. Now, despite having a large beak, toucan makes flights without even stopping. Now what's gonna happen right now is that sun is gonna throw a piece of fruit up in the air for the toucans to catch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up it goes. Mr. Horn gets it. One more toss, one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Get your cameras and video cameras ready. 1, 2, 3, and the fruit goes up. She catches it. Good job. Well, you have to agree with me. It is very nice to have these animals very close to us here. But ladies and gentlemen, the population of toucans are rapidly decreasing due to poaching and deforestation. So please support your local conservation programs and save the animals, okay? Now, toucans are very loyal to each other. When one goes, the other one will follow. Home is that way. Our Toko toucans. Now, what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. Now, they do that for social communication. The yellow-naped Amazon, like my friend here on stage, is very famous for its copying ability. We got one such bird on stage. Get your video cameras rolling. Hey, we want to say hello.
Hello.
Now he's going to introduce himself, okay? Hey, buddy, tell everyone what's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. All right. Now, Amigo, what do you want to say to all these nice people?
How are you?
Oh, very nice of him. How are you doing? Oh, they're doing really great, Amigo. Now, Amigo here is a very smart bird, and he can count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, 10! Wow! And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? He can also count from 1 to 10 in Chinese. Hen hao! Now, hen hao in Mandarin means very good. Now, Amigo can really sing, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. The first song is a local children's song. It's titled Current Life. It means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, sing a song in Mandarin. Okay. Okay, for those of you who can see the bird down here, I know it's blocked for those on the first row, okay? Amigo is a little bit distracted because he's not always here. Okay, can you see him? That one over here. Okay. Amigo, let's not get distracted, okay? They want to hear you sing a Mandarin song, alright? Let's try this again, alright? Let's sing this song in Mandarin. Word for word. At least you guys know that this is happening live. It's not a recording, okay? Alright, next song originates from Indonesia. It's titled Rasa Sayang. It means feelings of love. Amigo, sing Rasa Sayang. Wow, what a happy song! Excellently done. Now the next song is in English, so may I know, is there anybody here celebrating your birthday today? Put your hand up if it's your birthday. We got one lady over there, one. Anybody else? Another lady out there, we got 2, 3, okay? We got 3 in total, 4. A lady in white. Anybody else? Out there we got 1 gentleman over there, 5. How about people on this side? Anybody else? The gentleman in blue, we got 6. Okay, now for the 6 of you, Amigo will sing you a birthday song. Ready, Amigo? Let's sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Well, happy birthday to the 6 of you. We want to thank you for being here once